In this Coinout review, I'm going to be showing you guys if you can really submit receipt and get a cashback on the side. So make sure you guys stay to the end of this review as I'm going to show you if Coinout is worth your time. For those people who don't know, Coinout was basically on the Shark Tank episode and now it has been taken over by another company, but it was there in the Shark Tank episode. It's available in the App Store as well as the Google Play Store. Before we get into the review, my name is Vijay Koshi. I'm a 7-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best ideas about new websites, software, and courses. If you want to get my number one recommended strategy that has personally helped me to go from 0 to 5,000 to $10,000 per month, you can click the first link in the description. So let's have a look at the Google Play Store and let's have a look at it. So it has got almost 1 million plus download, which is great. And all you have to do is basically, submit your receipt and you will get certain points and rewards that you can later convert into cash. And it has got 3 levels. So the first level is a free level, and the second level is gold level, and the third level is diamond level. So you could be potentially earning more coins on the diamond level. In the diamond level, you could be getting about 50 points for every receipt that you submit, and in the gold level it's a little bit less, and on the free level it's very very less. So on the diamond version you could be getting like 50 points, I would say. If you were in the diamond points, you could be earning a little bit more money, and the threshold is $10. It's not a lot, but the threshold is $10. You will have to connect your email address as well if you want to earn money, and you can connect your account to these big platforms like Amazon, Walmart, Target, Starbucks, Kroger, Instacart, and all of that. So if you could purchase anything from Amazon and if you could upload into your Coinout app, you could potentially make like 50 points if you're like in the diamond level. And if you ask me how much points it would take to get to $10, it's roughly going to take you about 10,000 coins in order to convert into $10. So for 10, so if you're getting 50 points for every receipt that you submit, it's going to equate about 200 receipts that you will have to submit in order to get to $10, which is 10,000 points. But to be honest, guys, it's going to take a lot of time for you guys to get to that level, to that cashback level. So this is like a receipt. You can see a screenshot of how they do it. And you could be making coins with other ways like available surveys. You have like daily missions that you could complete, but the best way to make money, make cash back on this website is by submitting receipt, not these ways. You could be making little Bitcoin here and there, but submitting receipt is the best way. And you can redeem it through rewards like Amazon gift card, Zelly. So mainly everyone would go to the Amazon gift card. So this is the bronze level, silver level, gold level. Then you have diamond level. If you get to diamond level, you could be doing like 50 coins for every receipt. But on average, most people would get about 10 receipts that they could submit. So 10 receipts is only like 500. So still it's going to take like a lot of time, maybe more than a year for you guys to get to $10. But if you are someone who's frequently buying every single day, and so 50 coins into, if you get about like 20 receipts every single month, then it's still going to take you like 10 months for you guys to complete 10,000 points and get your $10. So you could be potentially saving a little bit income on the side, cash back on the side, but it's honestly $10 saving every single year. It's like $1 every single month that you're saving. It's not like a lot of money that you're saving. So I don't think it's really worth anyone's time, because the amount of money you could be saving is very less. And $10, if you have receipts that are like a lot of receipts. If you could get like 50 receipts or maybe 100 receipts every single month, if you could do that, then you could potentially make, save a little bit money here and there. Every 3 months you could potentially like get to $10 threshold and withdraw. But for the average people that is shopping every single month, it's probably going to take up to a year in order for you guys to get to $10. So it's not really worth your time if you don't do shopping like on a consistent basis. But if you are someone who wants to just go and try this app, you can go ahead and try it. And I have come to this third-party website, which is Trustpilot, in which you can get a very honest review on what people have said. So it has got 99 reviews, and some people have said like good reviews about it, but most reviews on Trustpilot is very bad because it has only got 1.8 star reviews. The main review people are facing is that they are finding glitch in the app. So even though after you guys upload all of the receipts, they are not able to identify which store it is. The app is not able to identify which store, and initially they reject your receipt. So even if you buy it from Walmart, they are not going to receive. So those kind of glitches people are finding, and sometimes their points are not being added up. So these glitches are something people are facing, and it can be a problem if you're starting out. But the thing is that it has got 1 million downloads and 99 reviews is actually very, very less. So you have to take it with a pinch of salt. But it really depends. You might face glitches, you might not face glitches, but people are generally making a little bit income with this. But it's not like it's life changing or anything. It's just a little bit cashback you could be getting from receipts. If you are lucky, you won't face any glitches. So you have to be really lucky. You have to take it with a pinch of salt. So that's basically it for this review of Coinout. You can check it out by going through the Google Play Store. If it were me, I wouldn't have personally go ahead and taken my time to actually scan all the receipts and upload it, because the cashback you would be getting is really low, which is why I would have stayed away. But if you want to check it out, you can check it out as well. So that's basically it. Now, if you're still watching this video, if you're looking for a way to make big money online, I'm talking about 0 to 5,000 to almost $10,000 per month. If you want to get this free affiliate marketing guide, you can click the first link in the description. It's a free guide, and also you could see my #1 recommended system. So that's it, and I hope to see you on another review video. Take care.